How to share your PowerPoint presentation to Google Drive directly. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is so simple and easy. Go to PowerPoint. This is the home page as you can see. Now choose the document that you want to share. For example, I'm going to choose this one. Now this is my document. Go to the top, click on this little icon, click on it, and it will take you to this page. Now click on full document option, the second one. Click on it and choose presentation right here, and now choose Google Drive right here. Very easy and fast, as you can see. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later. Thank you so much.